Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Tigard, OR, Portland South Lake Oswego. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring a seasonal outdoor pool, this motel is 15 miles from Portland Civic Stadium in Tigard, Oregon. All rooms include cable TV with extended channels. Laundry facilities is located on site. Each air-conditioned room at Motel 6 Portland South Lake Oswego features a private bathroom. All rooms boast vibrant decor and light wood furnishings. A 24-hour reception is offered at Portland South Lake Oswego Motel 6. Fax and photocopying services are available. Vending machines featuring snacks and drinks are located on site. Lewis and Clark College is 6 miles from this motel. Lake Oswego Park and Recreation is 5 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.